Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as the Chromecast so the app can see it. Once done, open the Google Home app and verify you're signed into the correct Google account because devices are account linked. Next, scan the home screen and find the Chromecast device card. This is where controls live. Do this now so you can access the device settings and implement the shutdown steps that follow. You now stop any active streams. If media is playing, tap Stop Casting or use the In-App Disconnect button to release the session, because Chromecast won't fully power down while casting. After the stream stops, tap the device card to open its controls and then tap the gear icon for device settings. In settings, you'll see options like Reboot, Factory Reset, and Ambient Mode. You want Reboot to safely restart, or Power options if available to turn off the device. You're at the finish line. Choose Reboot in settings to restart the Chromecast safely, which resolves many issues while effectively stopping activity. If your model shows a Power Off option, use it to turn the device off. If no software power exists, you can unplug the Chromecast from the power source or HDMI extender. Do this gently to avoid port damage. If the device disappears or won't reconnect later, restart your phone and router. Then reopen Google.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.